Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize your tab bar on Facebook. So for you to be able to customize tab bars on Facebook, yes, I can get it done. First thing, you open your Facebook app on your phone. Okay, let's take the same process again. Alright, good. Then you open your Facebook on your phone, then you click on menu. So from there you click on the settings, which is the gear icon. Then from there you scroll down a little, then you click on tab bar. Alright, so from here you can customize the tab bar. Now you click on it, here are some available tab for you that you can add to your bar. So right now I'm just going to click and customize this. So for example, if you don't want to customize the profile tab on your bar, just click on auto. So from here you can decide to pin this. You can see keep in your navigation bar or don't show in your navigation bar. So if you want this profile button or profile option to show up, you can easily hide it or you pin it. Or can even go for don't show or hide depending on your activities, which is pretty cool. And also if you want the marketplace as well, but right now this is actually automatic. You can see it is automatic, so you can easily do that. You can pin or hide, and if you hide any option from your tab bar, it will show here, which is the hidden tab. You can come back here, then here, right here. So I'm just going to click on this particular, which is explore, and I'm going to hide it. You can see hidden. You can see explore is hidden. It's pretty cool. You can see it under the hidden tab. So if you want to remove it from the hidden tab, just click on automatic, which automatic option actually means show or hide depend on your activities. You can simply put on automatic, and also you can see explore updated. And that is how to customize your tab bar on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.